Hey guys, welcome back to DroidCrunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Claspo, which is an amazing pop-up builder platform that allows you to create stunning pop-ups for your websites. You can use pop-ups for your WordPress website, Shopify website, Wix website, and it is very quick process and doesn't take much time to customize and create your pop-ups. And there are plenty of templates that you can use, and they're well categorized in seasons, industry, and use cases, whether lead generation. Okay, you can have a floating pop-up or any kind of pop you may want for your website. And there are plenty of integrations as well that allows you to integrate it with MailChimp, SendGrid. Okay, and it is very easy. So let's get in and see whether Claspo is worth a try or there are alternatives that you can go with. So let's quickly see. So guys, now you can see that Claspo, being one of the best high converting pop-ups builder, is ready to offer you some great pop-ups, and using it is very straightforward and easy. All you have to do is choose the templates that you want, or you can choose from the blank template as well. And it is trusted by some of the great brands, and people have given good feedback after using it for some time. And it has solutions for collecting email addresses, increasing sales conversions, reducing cart abandonment rate, and connecting with the visitors. You can use it for any purpose, and even the free plan of Claspo is very capable. There is no time restrictions. There are 700 plus of ready-made templates that you can use in your free plan as well. You can but have only 3 active widgets in your website, and 30,000 page views are available in the free lifetime plan, and no credit card is required for using the free plan. So you can test it, use it, and use it for lifetime for free. And the hassle-free script installation is there. The comprehensive support is there for you. If you encounter any issue and encounter any error, they will get in and help you until the solution is there and until they fix it. And 700 free pop-up templates are there for collecting leads, including sales, promote special offers, connect with the visitors, season widgets, and custom widgets. Here you can see the pop-up templates over here. They are well categorized in use cases, layouts, industries, or the seasons, whether you want it for Cyber Monday, whether you want it for Christmas sale. There are tons of different templates that you can use. Spin wheel, okay, collecting emails, email subscription, and all of these are very rich in colors, rich in attention seeking, and all of it. So let's quickly get in and see how we can use it. If you want to read, you can read some of the case studies by some brands that have used Claspo and achieved some good results. But for now, let's quickly sign in and see how we can use Claspo on our website. So let's quickly sign in. So once you are signed in, you can see this dashboard, user dashboard, where you have your username. You can customize all these things, your details. I have a basic plan for now, and you can upgrade from there as well if you want to. But now let's see the widgets, leads, and the testing, A/B testing. Okay, when you have 2 widgets to start, you can use the A/B testing. But for now, let's quickly create a new widget. You can use the widgets anywhere on the website in several clicks without coding knowledge. We can start from the scratch or use a template library. For now, let's quickly see the template library. And this library is nothing but this template library. Okay, here we can choose the template that we want. The layout is pop-up. Okay, you can see there are plenty of these. I will probably go with this sleek and simple template, or maybe I can go with a template where there are some fields to use. This one looks very neat, clean, and attention grabbing, like this 3D kind of icon over here. So you have this option where you can see the sign up, the success form, the existing member pop-up, and if there's an error occurred, this will be shown. You can customize all of it. You can see the mobile preview of the pop-up as well by switching between these options. And now let's click on this use this template button to start using the template. Okay, now over here on the left side where you can see you have the components that you can utilize by dragging and dropping over here in the canvas to fabricate the type of pop-up you want. And on the right sidebar you can see that you have tons of options to customize its size, have plenty of columns, customize the columns, and change the background color, whether image or a color. You can change the stroke, shadow, rounded corners, breakpoints you can customize, and everything. A lot of things are there. We will progress further, but some options are definitely locked in the sense that they cannot be used in the free plan. You will have to have a better plan for that. Okay, so as you can see now here on the bottom we have 4 different options: success, existing, for the existing members, and for the errors when they occurred. So these are 4 different forms. On the left hand side, as you can see, some columns options. This is the one column. Just you can drag it anywhere, and here you can see that I can change its width, a specific width, or by the container width, or by the content width. I can give it a custom width, maybe 40, and you can see this is shrinked like this, or I can set it to the container width. Okay, and inside this container I can literally add anything. Okay, and clicking on the column back, I can change its color. I can even use any image over here. I can give a stroke, set a rounded corners, or anything that I want. I can also specify a click action on this column, and there can be several options. I can use it to submit the form, open a specific URL, open the widget page, launch another widget, or close the current widget. Okay, so these are options that I have with this. To delete this element or the column, I can simply press the backspace button and it will be gone, and you can see this toast notification saying component deleted. Okay, and you can use these columns as well, these 2 column layout option, and you can also use this option where you have different width for the containers. Okay, and again backspace and delete. First select the column and then press the backspace and it will be gone. You can simply customize the title, change its font family. There are plenty of fonts to choose from. Okay, like this. I will choose the enter, and here too I will go with the enter option. Okay, I can also decrease the font size if I want to, and also change the colors of it, maybe pretty similar to this. Okay, looks good. And also I can customize this image as well, change it as well, set it to display on desktop or not, like this. Okay, when on this option it will display, but not on here. Okay, this on desktop will display it. And there are plenty of other options as well, like action on click is also available on these elements as well. And here are the fields for the form. Currently I only have the email field, but if I want I can also add this first name field or maybe this last name field, and use these fields for for the purpose of integration. Like I can use MailChimp, and there these fields can be used and give me more authority or control over storing the data, right? And there are different fields option as well, like I can choose the radio field, if it is a a form for collecting information based on some specific drop down option, like for the service maybe there are 10 different services, 5 or 6, and I want the user to choose the specific service and then store the service selected, and then I can use the radio or drop down option, and even checkbox option can be used if multiple selection I want to allow the user to select. And then I have this text area field for the message and all, and text input field for simple strings, custom text, like that. Okay, and there are some other fields that can grab the user attention, like these gift box option. Okay, I can set the type percentage discount. Okay, and promo code will be shown, the chance of winning. Okay, and the details, I can add reward a percentage discount. Okay, so 50%, 50%. If I add more, it would be 33%, like this. Okay, chance. And this way I can utilize these options. The gift box can also use the scratch card option and add rewards options as well. I can also add a custom reward option and set a detail over here. And this is very useful if I want to grab the attention of the user and make more form fillings. Like if I want more conversions on the form, I can use these type of games, spin, scratch, or spin the wheel, and definitely this will increase the form filling rate or less abandonment rate for the form. And I can also customize these fields as well, where I can set the placeholder name, set the validation for the same, whether it is required or not. Okay, I can customize styling for weight, family, sizing, and text color, like this. So once you are ready with all the settings and customizations, you can preview it, the widget preview, and you can change the sizing. Okay, this is the breakpoint and these options. And once you are done with the preview as well, now you can save it. Okay, and here you get the rules. You can edit these rules. The default rules are like show once per session, spent on the page 20 seconds, so you spend 20 seconds on the page, stop display forever after subscription from any widget, show in sequence using silent intervals. Okay, you have some default 3 minutes of interval. Then you can show on all types of devices, on any pages, show in all locations, and you can edit these options. You don't want to limit the frequency, then you can use do not limit. And when you want to display when all the conditions are met, or immediately, or when any condition is met. So this is all, or this is or. This is the like connection you can say for the condition. And then spent on the page 20 seconds, spent on the website 20 seconds. So if you want all of these conditions to meet before the section is applied, then use this one, or you can use this one. Probably I can say read the page by this is the scroll option, I guess 30% if I scroll. When to stop displaying after subscription. Okay, so now I can collapse it. Okay, it is saved. Launcher click based. The launcher calls the widget regardless of the widget display conditions. I don't have any launcher at the moment. HTML element click based. I can use these selectors as well. Okay, so for now let's click on next option, and here I have these integration options where I want the data to save once the submission is placed. I can add an integration. Maybe I can use MailChimp or MailerLite. Okay, I can use the API key or export data to the MailerLite using this documentation. Okay, you can export the data to the MailerLite. You can export the data to the Google Analytics as well. And when you are done with every integration and triggering option and appearance, just click on done button. Okay, next you need to install the script. Okay, click on the install script. You can install on the WordPress. I have WordPress website, or you can use the script tag and use it on other type of websites as well. But for now, let's go install. And I have this plugin over here. I will just install this out and click on the activate. So now I can see Claspo over here, and it is asking me the script ID. So script ID can be found over here. Just copy it and paste it and connect it. Okay, almost there. Please run to Claspo and complete the process. Almost there. Please open your website's main page in a new tab to complete the setup, and then return here and click the button below to check again. Okay, so let's click the home page. Let's check again. Script is installed. Okay, now close this and go to the widgets. So let me publish it. Okay, now it is published, and you are the page where the widget is. So now you can see that it is loading perfectly. Okay, and if I submit a detail, it will be saved in the database of the integration of my choice. So this was how you can easily build widgets inside Claspo and create some stunning pop-ups and use games such like Scratch and all. You can also do some A/B testing as well between the two of your widgets and see what can work best for your business, and use the one that can give you some results out of the box. So this is very useful tool to increase the sales, increase conversions, have more subscribers, have more form submits and all. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you learned something new, please consider a subscribe, and please watching more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.